This is cleanup portfolio day. I've got a new high now in my stock portfolio. Never been this high before. Very good. I'm enjoying it. But I still have losers in my portfolio. So this is the cleanup day. I am selling all my losers. That doesn't mean they won't come back one day. I believe they'll come back. But I'm not hanging around and waiting for it. You're a loser. You're a proven loser. I'm getting rid of you. I can always buy it back later when it's going up. But this is cleanup portfolio day. The losers go out the door. I do not believe in, one day they'll come back. Don't sell, Corny Tybo. Don't sell. No, that's not how I roll.